The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
In the previous class, we learned about the press and unity of India and education for the nation. Today, we will move on to the next topics, literature and nationalism in art. Let us now look at how art and literature have helped our nationalism to grow. ബ്രിട്ടീഷ് ഭരണകാലത്ത് ഇന്ത്യൻ ജനതയിൽ ദേശീയബോധം വളർത്തുന്നതിൽ കലയും സാഹിത്യവും വഹിച്ച പങ്ക് എന്തായിരുന്നു? Indian writers have made valuable contribution to the development of national consciousness. Novels, poems and biographies on British exploitation and resistance against it fostered a sense of nationalism and strengthened the national movement. How literary works written in regional languages led to the emergence of Indian nationalism. The protest against the British rule as well as the social evils existed in the Indian society reflected in the Indian literature. Writers in different parts of India illustrated the agonies and atrocities of the people. The readers in other parts experienced these sorrows as theirs and ventured to fight them collectively. Writers shared their resentments with the people through poetry, plays, novels and dramas. This developed among the people a sense of patriotism and dissent towards the foreign dominance. Patriotic songs in regional languages bridge the gap between the upper class literates and the illiterate mass. Let us discuss in detail about the works of different authors. The concept of Bharat Mata was first presented in public through a play written by Shishir Kumar Ghosh and Satyendranath Tagore. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, a famous Bengali writer, adopted novel, a western form of literature, as a medium to portray the plight of Indian society. His famous novel Anand Mat, based on the Sannyasi revolt of Bengali peasants. He could well illustrated the agonies of Bengali farmers and disparity between the rich and the poor in the Bengali society. Thus, the Indian society came to know about the predicaments of the Bengalis. ബംഗാളിലെ കർഷകരുടെ ദുരിതങ്ങളെക്കുറിച്ചായിരുന്നു അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ നോവലിൽ പരാമർശിച്ചിരുന്നത്. അതിലൂടെ അത് ഇന്ത്യയുടെ മറ്റു ഭാഗങ്ങളിലുള്ള ആളുകൾക്കും ബംഗാളി കർഷകരുടെ ദുരിതങ്ങളെക്കുറിച്ച് മനസ്സിലാക്കാൻ കഴിഞ്ഞു. As you know, Vande Mataram is our national song. The song Vande Mataram is taken from the novel Anand Mat. Next, the Neel Darpan, a play written by the Bengali writer Dinabandhu Mitra, depicted the severe exploitation suffered by the indigo farmers in Bengal. It was staged in many places and greatly influenced the people. Indian Association, a political movement floated by Surendranath Banerjee, campaigned for the welfare of the Bengali farmers, taking cue from the issues depicted in Neel Darpan. This play triggered farmers' unrest in various parts of India. Next one, Urdu poet Allama Muhammad Iqbal, who penned the famous patriotic song Sare Jahan Se Acha Hindustan Hamara, praised the beauty of India's nature and unity of its people. creative expressions of Indian writers helped to inculcate the concept of a unified India among the people. Let's see the famous authors and their works. Authors: Rabindranath Tagore, his famous works Ghora and Gitanjali in Bengali. Next, Premchand, his famous works Seva Sadan, Premashram, Rangabhumi and Gaudan in Hindi language. Subramanya Bharati, Panchali Shabadam, Kali Patta, Kannan Patta and Kuil Patta in Tamil. Altaf Hussain Ali, Hayati Sahi and Hayati Javed in Urdu language. Vishnu Krishna Chiplankar, Nibandhamala in Marathi. Vallathol Narayana Menon, Ende Gurunathan, Bapuji and Indiyude Karachil in Malayalam. We will move on to the next topic, nationalism in art. Artists were also had a crucial role in the emergence of Indian nationalism. Indian painters liberated Indian painting from Western influence and prompted Oriental art in Indian culture as well as in the Indian tradition, thereby fostering nationalism. Look at this picture. This is a watercolor painting by Abanindranath Tagore. It depicts Bharat Mata giving food and cloth and knowledge to Indian mass. This painting helped to inculcate patriotism in Indian minds. Influence of this painting: artists from various parts of the country pictured Bharat Mata in various fashions embedded with the map of India. Abanindranath Tagore tried to free Indian painting from Western style and to promote Oriental painting based on Indian culture and tradition. Abanindranath Tagore started Indian Society of Oriental Arts in Calcutta to promote Indian art. Raja Ravivarma from Kerala visualized various scenes from Indian epics and literature. Another famous artist of that period, Nandalal Bose. He portrayed scenes from Indian literature and events in history. Nandalal Bose's famous painting is Sati, which visualized the dilemma of a woman who was forced to commit Sati, a social evil prevailed in our country. This painting touched the Indian hearts and stimulated protest against the social evil. His another painting, Village Drummer, was exhibited in the Haripura session of the Indian National Congress in 1938 and was adopted as the picture for the poster of the Indian National Congress. Do you know the woman artist of that period? Yes, Amrita Sher Gill, a famous woman artist of India, painted the sufferings of Indian villagers in dark shades, ably reflecting their predicaments. Her painting also motivated people to think about a unified India. Look at the pictures. We are familiar with this. These are the national emblems that help to nurture nationalism in Indian minds. As you know, our national anthem was written by Rabindranath Tagore. Our national anthem helped to create national consciousness in Indian minds. You are familiar with our national flag. The tricolor flag was first designed during the time of Swadeshi movement. The earlier version of the flag contained 8 lotuses representing 8 provinces in British India and a crescent representing Hindu-Muslim unity. After that, the team led by Gandhiji designed the national flag with charka, a domestic spinning wheel used in Indian villages. Charka resembled the self-dependence of the Indians and their defiance to colonial rule. Do you know who designed our present tricolor flag? Yes, Pingali Vengaiah. The present tricolor flag of India was officially adopted in 1947, designed by Pingali Vengaiah. As you know, national emblem adopted from the lion capital of Ashoka at Saranath. Patriotic songs, symbols and pictures were used throughout our freedom struggle. They played a crucial role in fostering nationalist spirit among Indians. The passion of Indian society for freedom, equality and sovereignty were reflected in the art, literature, education, journalism and social reforms, and it motivated Indian nationalism. Okay, this concludes the lesson. Okay, what all things we have discussed today? Literature and nationalism in art. Okay, we will continue the next class. Till then, bye.